Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kabharatiya Janata Youth Wing hakashiphotarik unailar arhajar arpuar kalapenong nakajingya rally daki arshaka dakabawa daki lama kari hanong ba shilong dakabasedang nadu ke office trekam ke BJP Shapulo terter shedo fire brigade batpin kot biang ha kejuk ke jaka ha office BJP. Kajing temu ban penong ya katai kajing ya rali de kitok tok kalong kum kadak ban sarkhe ya kajing rakhe bat ai kuble ya kajing dap nyobusan senam kari ha ka khat santarik unailar arhajar arpuar.
This is part of Amrit Mahotsav program, 75 years of celebration of our country, and from the BJYM state they organized this Tiranga program, and they will go with the motorcycle to the whole Shillong to greet the people of Shillong. So now we will start up with the head our Robert Emily. We will start this.